What's good? It's Vladimir Putin, #1 MC, the God MC of Moscow, Russia, the king of the Kremlin. And I'm here with my boy, Trumpito, Guabito Chiquita. Yo, it's good. I got bars for niggas all day. You already know I got bombs, I got missiles, I got walls, I got all that shit. You know what I'm saying? Everybody talking spicy. I got one word for you. Sad. You're sad and you're jealous because we out here getting to this guala and you in your house, bored and broke, watching Maury. Meanwhile, I'm just out here grabbing pussy all brazy, razy, crazy, lazy 380. Break. You know what I'm saying? And my man Putin is over here, you know what I'm saying, rejiggering elections, doing what he want. Putin. Because like my man Future said, you do what you want when you're popping. Yo, this is episode 119, uno nueve. I speak multiple language because I'm genius and I used to be KGB agent. I'll be back with a freestyle.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yeah, what up? It's your boys, the Bodega Boys, live from Red Bull Studios. Oh, mad early in the morning. I got fucking egg on the microphone. That's how we out here west.
Yes.
Like, wasted.
Yeah.
It's always live from Red Bull Studios. You hear the crystal clarity,
you know
back at home. You know what I'm saying? We did our away game, but we back. We back at the garden. Listen to that. That's not lean, man.
Yeah.
That's Red Bull, dog.
You know what I'm saying?
That's coursing through his veins and shit.
Nah, I mean, it's not embarrassing.
You know what I'm saying?
I drink taurine, it's not embarrassing.
You drink Red Bull and your mate can't leave you because like you're possibly working out for some shit.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Because you drinking rum and Red Bull. When I drink it, make me act full.
That shots is going off. When I leave the dance hall because they're coming back down. Like, oh, shit. Oh, man.
I've never drank rum and Red Bull. That sounds like a recipe for disaster. I feel like if I pour Red Bull into some Brugal, it's going to be a wrap.
The last time I had rum and Red Bull, I was in Antigua, and it was like 90 degrees, and it was 8 a.m. I was in a field full of mud. And what happens is you get drunk off the rum, but the Red Bull just keeps you going.
Yeah.
So you 18 hours later, you running down the street naked, with just a sock on your dick, like, yeah, gave me wings.
Yeah.
Everything starts looking like the Red Bull commercial. Everything's like a little wiggly. You're like, yo, what's going on? Am I watching an episode of The Critic?
Yo, shorty twerking or just standing in line? What the fuck is going on?
Am I living a real life episode of Dr. Katz? Yo, episode 119.
That's right, you cowards.
It's your boy Desus Nice. Like, hey, yo, Chipotle. I probably say fat like Terrio. Shout out to Terrio, still out here. He's doing the In My Feelings challenge. I was in my feelings when I saw he was still alive. Shout out to
Yo,
him.
wow.
All right, and when I hope you become the next greatest SEC quarterback.
Terry, do you want some little BB?
Because I want some Oreos and I'm hungry. Hey. Chris Stafford Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, some of them might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Chick, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Rondo.
Yes.
Hey, make sure you get that peri sauce. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
1994 in New York. Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC looking gonna be pulling up for 40 with who? You shorty.
That's right.
AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
We don't know each other, fam.
And you know what's wild? I have the Uber pass. So for 28 days, I got 30% off any ride I do as long as it's not to the airport. Which means I'm in the Uber more, which means still don't talk to me, niggas.
Don't.
None of you. Don't talk to me. If you're the driver, if you in there, you got a gunshot wound, you leaking out, don't be like,
You ever been shot before?
Nigga shot me. I'll be like, shh. I feel like you got shot because of choices you made on your own.
That's right.
So
and
why
I'm
don't you
also
stay over there and you deal with that?
Yeah.
Also, what do you say to you call the you like officer or Uber driver? Like sir, driver, driver. He leaking back here.
Yo, excuse me, sir. I'm trying to read about the Yankees pitching prospects.
Okay. You see, listen.
You know what I'm saying?
You know shit is serious. I'm mad hungover. I'm leaning on the side, but I have the phone locked. So it's still horizontal. Yeah. All right, I'm focused here. Let me get these tweets up. Don't talk to me. The original +1 got +1. Don't make a fuss, son. Don't make a fuss. Act like you've been here before, man.
Yo.
It's not the first time someone bossed up at you with the red carpet. Also, listen, you're not Peter. Yeah. This is not heaven. Just let me into this. Listen, I'm watching a new Little Rel Tiffany Haddish movie. Let me in with like 5 goons. Look, no one's getting hurt here. Now you're making it difficult for everyone else.
Come on, man.
Helen Hunt is right there, I think. Is that Helen Hunt?
It looks like her.
I don't know what she looks like.
It could be Helen Mirren.
Old
Meryl Streep.
I don't know, man.
I don't know.
My soul is colorless.
Right.
Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. That's right. Jermaine Avocado, Young Pod, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuni out the Coonery, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo-K.
Oh, wow.
You know, it's Two Phone Joe, G6, rocking the J Chuck with Stanley Cups. The Human Dr. Bond is labeled dilute that shit, because that shit will burn you, man. I'm telling you, it'll burn your hair right off, man. Burn your clit right off, man.
You know what I'm saying?
That shit is female genital mutilation, man. Don't do that right
You need your clit, B.
You need your clit. That's what we tell the kids in the car. Yo, mom, protect your clit. You gotta protect your clit. You got the Wu-Tang shit like, Wu-Tang.
Protect the clit.
Ding, ding, ding. Bigger man sound like protect your clit. First day first, man. You fucking with the worst.
We don't supposed to fight. We are brothers of the clitoris temple.
Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot.
Yeah.
Blurry. I don't even know if this is black. This shit is mad artifacts.
Yo.
Shit. I was like, yo, what is this? I tried to move it from 240p and they said the only other resolution was 360. What can I do with this? It's mad blurry.
Just watching Minecraft Pinot.
I don't, but you know, still got that nut though.
Yeah.
DJ will like listen to Wash Up. Up next, we got whom? Listen, Legends of the Game. You know what it is.
Oh my God.
I was just telling Mero. People don't recognize these people anymore.
What a beautiful wedding. What a beautiful wedding. Says a bridesmaid to the waiter.
Oh shit. Oh my God.
Groom's bride is a whore.
Get ready.
I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of?
Yeah.
Closing a goddamn door.
No, she didn't say goddamn door, right? That's too much for 06. Shout out to I heard that was doing the Fortnite dances.
Did he say gosh damn
He
word?
was like, got. But they couldn't. It might have been YouTube. Hey, the Curry goes, Jesus Spices, Jamal Hasper, the Bronx, Dion, Ray, nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain them. Don't even put me in Tupperware, man.
No.
Respect my rights as a person.
That's right.
I'm not old pasta.
No.
I'm not old man ghoul you're going to put at the bottom of the fridge and forget about.
At least put an air holes in the container.
Exactly. Made me so mad. The human meme were the job. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Hedrick Budcross, Melson Bangdella.
Yeah.
Sergio can't see me. Vladimir Boofin. I totally forgot that was an AKA.
Yeah.
Vladimir be boofing. Yeah. Vladimir boofed the whole democracy in his cheeks and walked out. Like, yo.
Nigga boofed the government. Shout out to him.
He was like, yo, taxes on your government. Salute you.
Salute you.
No takebacks, no black magic.
It goes straight to my jail wallet.
Your tax on your chopped cheese, my nigga. Human worth is melted in your mouth. Mr. Beck starts taking it. Ricky took a squab. Great.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? It's like 90 degrees when you get that pop now.
Yeah, boy, there's a little
moist. It's like when you ever make cup of noodles, and you just got it sitting there like out the microwave, and you pull the lid back, and that steam come out. It's like, whoa. You smell that little shrimp. You're like,
yeah, little seafood. Yeah, man.
Let me get all this sodium on my tongue, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, nasty. More say with your chestnut.
Yeah.
Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber.
Yo.
You impressed, but your boy. Never is. I am the art, damn it. That's what you say drunk to the cop when he asks for ID. Just be like, I am the art. Swing at him. He'd be like, I died for the hive. Sorry, I get it. The Dundada Canoes, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over Casanova.
That's right.
What you made $10. Forget the small change now.
What you want? What you want? What you need? What you need? No.
Just hit the ATM button like 20s.
No.
This one. Big money wine! First of all, that's not even an option on the ATM.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you know I'm gonna leave the receipt so you can look at it. Brokey. The only anthem I saw was Dipset. It's a saga. Catch me at square one. Top left, man's is Mars.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Gotta get out the city. Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow.
Whoa.
Yes. Mr. Top what I do is count checks and jerk off. And you know what? It's hot now. I'm using that coconut oil to jerk off. Everything's looking really soft. You know? It's like jerking off in Dubai. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda. And it's who? Me. Sunny D. I'm over here behind this lettuce that has botulism. It's been here for 3 weeks.
Yeah, please. Throw it away, please.
Do you live alone? Why does your fridge look like this? David Yurtman. He's such a DJ bad. Got Jesus blood issues. Yeah. Smokeem Noah's still getting them Nick checks. You know what it is. You know what it is. It's the next tradition. Hey, Andrew Coogan. I'll fall asleep at the wheel and then I'll kill you. No, shit. Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, pop me charger. Yeah, I'll sit on it. Yes, call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. Oh my God. Bing, boom, boom. This is the LIRR. We'd just like to say your next train to Ronkonkoma is delayed for 5 minutes because the topic of gossip and psyosip is on the platform. Please look at him. It's Desus right now. Oh. Oh, where's he
Doesn't
going?
that look make direct
Why is he going?
contact?
Why is he going to Huntington? Who's he know out there? He's chopping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic who'll crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesmerina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic babe. Yo, leave your family. Let's go to Miami and record this album. What's up?
Yo, let's do it.
Let's do it. I got Dream Doll on the hook. What's up?
Just me, you, Dream Doll, Jocelyn Hernandez. Super group.
Of Eden War. It's a very niche album. If we sell 56 copies, we good.
You know what I'm saying?
North side, north side.
You know what I mean? Yo, it's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a., you know what I'm saying, the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa! You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, I jump the curb, hit the dog, keep it moving, I don't give a fuck, nigga. A.k.a. I don't fucking baby, I fucking mang, nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, mama huevo. My +2 is J and B, you fucking wing. Let me in here before I crush your larynx with my bare hands. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Cece Dabathia, a.k.a. I got my daughter tennis lessons with Serena Williams, and she just started walking like 3 weeks ago. You know why, nigga? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a.
of the year.
I ran, fucking, I did, I am. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. I was about to start freestyling, but I'm not trying to get on some hip hop shit. Nah, no freestyles. A.k.a. Big Smack Biombo.
Red Bull don't got us freestyling money, man.
Freestyle money.
We're trying to shit to Smack
They'll be like, hold on. I thought he was using this for a podcast, not a fucking studio session. Nah, the Peanut Butter Boys are back. A.k.a. Big Smack Biombo, a.k.a. Diego Maradona, a.k.a. Dickie Jobe Mutombo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me unless you bring me 45 cattle. You know what I'm saying? That's a large dairy.
We up to 45 now?
Yeah, boy.
So it was like 13,
you know what I'm saying? It's just getting up.
Yo.
Fucking A-Reds for the plane to the building, cook price.
You ever say that? Then niggas be like, yo, I want 45 goats. You be like, yo, my nigga, no disrespect. Your daughter's pussy better be fire, my nigga.
Fire,
that
bro.
Shit better be I want the whole family to watch when I fuck her.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck that. 45 goats?
45 goats? 45 goats equals no gag reflex, fam.
Okay, fuck that. I'm hitting her peanut butter, her choach, everything.
All that. Stop playing
with
me.
Her armpit.
A.k.a. Pablo Santana, so smooth. I crash asleep, fall asleep at the wheel and crash the Mozzie. That was a test drive, so now I'm really in trouble. Uh-oh.
Sir, sir, you didn't give me your license.
I don't have a license. My name is Joel Santana.
You start running into the highway shit. I'm like, I'm in my Uber. I'm like, damn. I should pull over and get that nigga, but I didn't have to talk to the driver. I don't talk to the driver. I should sit there like, damn, Texas nigga, like, you all right?
Yeah, you good?
I saw you running down the highway.
WYD question mark with the little running man emoji.
The two puffs of smoke, like.
Again, it's Dominican Dundada Dagman Daddy, a.k.a. Swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You're embarrassing us both. You know who the fuck I am. I was the voice of Mufasa and Lion King. Don't Google that. A.k.a. Romeo Santos. So Zanny. Let me black out, yo. I'll kiss your girl in the mouth. I don't care if she's your cousin. I'll do it at a family party too and embarrass you. A.k.a. Lighten El Dutchie. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke and single five. So don't try to stay in front of Locksmith with me and Match talking about, yo, we gonna smoke this blunt together. No, nigga, you didn't even throw 5 on this shit. Get the fuck out of here, B. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Tom Brady, your girl got my balls inflated. A.k.a. Feel that sights and I want to explore your cosmos, man. Always look up into the church. In the discharge. A.k.a. Friday Messi MVP of Gelato. A.k.a. Zaniel Betterfield. I gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. And like I said before, if you don't go to the Mama Sushi that's on Dykeman, bro, you're not really at Mama Sushi. Be like, there's other Mama Sushi locations, but that is the flagship.
You mean to tell me the Mama Sushi's in Bushwick isn't official?
No, bro. You gotta go to the flag.
That's like Mama hyphen sushi. It's like some old Russian lady like, hey, God, hey, you want sushi?
Papi.
You want sushi?
Papi, you want sushi? Here's a
They got hookahs, but it's like old Russian style hookahs. She's mad sad. I'm like, yo, is this iron?
Yo,
what the fuck is this?
Why you got
is this a copper hookah?
Is this borscht?
Ow, my lip. I hurt my lip.
Yo.
It's rusty.
Nigga, this cold as a uranium block.
Everyone there's got no shirt on. They're like, it's hookah. It's good. Hey,
they lighting the shit with vodka and shit. Like, nah, you wildin'.
Why are these drinks named Collusion? What's going on here?
A.k.a. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your esophagus with a sarcophagus so you can dead all the brazy talk, fam, because you've been talking wild spicy, and I might have to pull out that 380 and stop that Popeyes jokes that I stopped years ago. You know what I'm saying? Remember that? A.k.a. I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who it is, man. It's the fucking Zan man himself, the Benzo God. The Zan! man. A.K.A. Rico Sabrosa, A.K.A. Baby Newport. Niggas got 2 for 5. Niggas, this garbage on the way, man. You need these. You know what I'm saying? These ain't Staten from out of town. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Nino Brown should have caught it down. A.K.A. live from the front of Boost Mobile Store on University Avenue. Dando Pena. It's the East Tremont Stevie B. I want to be the needle that I am stuck in. You know what I'm saying? Wow. A.K.A. live from...
So disrespectful. Wow. You're going to catch us outside of Red Bull.
With the old Puerto Rican man strength and just wash us and shit. Like,
he's going to wash you because I'm going to run off like a bitch. I'm like, nah, I want to... Hey, Stevie B, what's it mean?
I want to smoke, nigga. I don't want to smoke.
We're going to do a Friday. It's Stevie B chasing us around the Bronx.
With the Benny Hill music. Like, I
think we could have just met food.
They could just pick his head out from behind some Carolina rice.
Behind the machine to put all the recycling cans and shit. Just smell like bum piss. Oh, my brother's people are like, yeah.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. straight from across the ball, mate. It's done with rock stars left. It's only the Bodega Boys. You know what it is, man. It's the plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a 20 of mango piña in my Timbs. You know what I'm saying? Because we've been doing this. A.K.A. You know what I'm saying? I met Mike Francesa. I'm never going to fail. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I'm finally get the fuck out of Oklahoma. It's your boy, Bormelos Anthony.
Going to Atlanta, huh?
Yeah. ATL, ho.
Hey, he getting the whole bag. He getting the whole bag. Shout to Melo.
Shout to Melo, the God. Yes.
Melo, the finesse God.
You know what I mean?
Listen, you outlasted Phil in New York, and you get the bag, and your wife for sure her titties on power.
Man.
Shout out to you, my guy.
Shout out to you, B.
Oh, you a legend.
Legend in the game. I might say after Pat, greatest nigga of all time.
Listen, I saw him do the scoring title.
You know
I can't argue with that.
You can't argue with that.
Woo.
You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target eating goober grape out the jar while my kids watching discuss, mind your fucking business. Or approach me like an Ursine mammal dog. I might throw this mocha latte in your face and attack you viciously. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I so fakely into your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off grandma's molasses and Cascade pods. Talk about skirt. I was born in 03 and I'm taking the ecstasy. Yeah. I'm like, oh, wow. That means what are you, 11?
Get this nigga off the Afro punk stage.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here. I don't care that he's dressed like the cameo guy.
Get him out of here.
Beat it. Yeah, tú sabes qué hora es, papi. Hasan, tírame la pista. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, el más loco, el más papi. El que puso el fucking man en Dyke Man. El tío de Pío. No arme un lío, que yo soy papi que malito siempre frío. Hay muchos mamagüevos privando de ya veneno cuando son ya palomos. Bájale 2 con la bla para no darte con la tabla. Ya me quité el cuarto bate, LeBron. El LeBron del micrófono, motherfucker. Okay? You know what I'm saying? And we at Locksmith every motherfucking weekend, nigga. Even if I'm not there, I'm there in spirit, motherfucker. Turning the fuck up. So all you bitches put your legs up on the wall and twerk.
All you bitches put your legs up and twerk. All you
bitches put your legs up and twerk. Hey. All you legs up and twerk.
All my pregnant bitches, let's go. All my pregnant bitches, let's go.
Yo, what has the response been, Hasan, in Locksmith when In My Feelings drops on the dance floor?
Song is annoying. People forgot Casanova dropped the whole album. It's not really music you listen to around chicks. I'm saying it's mostly music you enjoy if you locked up with other niggas. With no shirt on and shit. You know what I'm saying? If you ever had a nigga on your back while you did a push-up, you could enjoy Casanova's album.
Word!
But you had to do it while you were free. Your own accord, not in the dorm and shit.
No.
Oh.
If you ever busted it
locked up, do you see the video last night? Shout out to the homie Bobby Shmurda.
Shout out to Bobby.
Who said he fucks with the show and watches it.
Oh,
while
shit.
Locked up, he said shout out to the homie. So
Hey, gang.
Say, free Bobby Shmurda, free tax.
Grammy shooters dressed in G-Star.
Free that fucking, what was it? The lion or whatever last week that killed the niggas?
The Jaguar?
The Jaguar. Free the Jaguar.
He's out here, though. I
mean, he's still locked up in jail.
Oh, that in the enclosure. Yeah, they call it enclosure. Imagine they started calling jail cells enclosures. Like,
they could get away with that. What would we do?
Yeah. They'd be like, yo, we revamped Rikers. It's no longer a prison. It's now enclosures.
Where's your dad at?
He's in an enclosure, nigga, behind a moat.
Oh, shit. It's always sad when Mero has to find out news about his life from the podcast in real life time.
What?
Guess what? You're going to Brooklyn.
What?
Brooklyn agreed to trade with Phoenix to acquire Jared
Dudley. What?
That's right.
Yo,
yes, you going to BK now, nigga.
We in Brooklyn, yo.
The city's under new management.
I would take a photo on the logo wearing Dusty Tims. Like, yo.
Woj tweeted out, and everyone's like, this is not a bomb.
This is not a bomb.
They're like, this is whack.
This is a watch sparkler.
Oh, man. Shout out to him. Enjoy Brooklyn.
Yo,
shout out to Melo finessing the bag in Atlanta.
Yo, Jared Dudley and Melo are finessers, bro. And Joe Johnson. Like, Joe Johnson managed to get himself into every popping NBA city. Shout out to Dragonfly Jones for putting me onto that. I didn't realize this dude has played in New York, Houston, LA, fucking Atlanta. Like every city where you could get wild buns and just spend mad money and like just live that lavish lifestyle.
I know Lala's tight about that.
No, I'm talking about Joe Johnson, not Melo.
Oh, okay.
Because Melo played in Denver, nigga, like before they legalized weed.
Yeah, but he had streetbacks.
Yeah, he did have streetbacks.
Yeah. Imagine having streetbacks in Denver, nigga. You asking to get shot by the cops.
Oh my god.
Like I'm not racist, but I'm racist about shit like that.
Imagine, remember the picture of him wearing the Stop Snitching t-shirt? Yeah, that's my Melo.
And then your man, they trying to send. I was about to say they're trying to send your man Talib Kweli to the Raptors, but no, they're trying to send
Kawhi Leonard, Talib Kweli to the Raptors. Nigga, Talib Kweli will go to the Raptors and be like, "Listen, my brothers, we need to unify as a unit and play basketball like our ancestors intended."
Yo, like slaves on the slave ship arguing about who got the biggest chain. They're like, "Yo, you on the defense or not, nigga?"
Yo, fam, yo, get back on D, nigga. Stop rapping.
But he said he don't want to be there. So.
Fuck out of here.
Damn. Is real.
Damn, he said DeRozan said he doesn't want to be in the Spurs, or Kawhi said he don't want to be on the Raptors.
He wants to go to the Lakers with LeBron. Like he's you know what it is, like you ever have like an only child and they act up when their mother leaves and like, nah, I'm not doing nothing. Yeah, and he's like that. Like, yo, if I don't get it's my way or the highway.
Wow,
so he could do that.
I mean, when you hang 35 on niggas and you guard LeBron, like, I mean, you could pretty much ask for your price.
But also, did he sit out most of last season, though?
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
Because Tony Parker was talking spicy. French niggas always talking spicy.
They can't help it. Because French as itself comes out as Dijon mustard. It's the Dijon mustard language. They can't say shit without it being spicy. They can't even be like, yo, you left the door. They have to be like... The door was closed before you came in. And you're like, no, why don't you say the door's open? Why you being an asshole?
Yeah, you came in and since his door was open.
Also, I just had a baby. Why are you smoking in a needle unit? Like, National Health Care Service.
We smoke everything. Don't worry.
Hey, baby, you have a light? Like flicking off your baby's head and shit. You're like, what?
Yo, what the fuck?
Violating, dog.
Yo. Nah, because Tony Parker said in an interview, like, yo, they asked him, like, do you think that your injury is worse than Kawhi's injury? He was like, oh, yeah, it's 100 times worse. So then the Kawhi took that as meaning like, yo, this nigga's trying to play me and is just trying to say that I'm a diva and I'm just trying to sit out. So then like the media,
fake news
spun that into like some whole drama and shit. When like the Spurs, like if like the Spurs are wild boring, but like they've been mad consistent, like for the past like however many decades.
Listen, the Spurs are a missionary position.
You know what I'm saying?
It's not the most exciting shit, but it gets the job done.
It gets the job done. You know what I'm saying?
9 out of 10 times, you're gonna get that come.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go. Yeah. Like who hates that? Come on, man. Also, he said, it was 100 times worse than the other. Maybe he's talking metric.
You know what I'm saying? It could be.
I mean,
but you know what I'm saying? But the NBA is gonna be wild next year, bro. The East is wide open. I'm excited because the East is wide open. And niggas trying to tell me fucking
that Chief Keef ain't got no hitters? Yeah. That what niggas trying to tell you?
Niggas trying to tell me the Knicks don't got a shot. The Knicks got a shot, B. The East is trash.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying? The Raptors are the Raptors, B. Let's keep it funky. The Raptors do really, 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 really well in the regular season, and then they shit and they pamper in the offseason, in the postseason.
To quote the philosopher Plato, anything is possible. So, the Knicks make some shit happen.
You think the Knicks are going to be the worst team in the NBA next year?
No.
No way.
No,
right?
No way. Because even when the Knicks are terrible, the Knicks still live up to expectations. Also, I look at it with blinders on, so I would never say the Knicks are the worst. I'll still be watching those fucking games. Yeah. We would be down 30 games after the first 30 games. I'm still tuning in.
Yo, we can still, until we're mathematically eliminated. Right. That's the magic word.
And
mathematically eliminated.
Watching, I'm talking about basing my whole night around the Knicks. I'm talking about getting hot wings, getting beer, smoking the L on a Friday, and it's like Friday night, Knicks.
Knicks on it.
That's right. Okay.
Yo, your man had the
I saw he had the hot take on Twitter. You had to get in there.
I'm like, yo, my man.
Don't get into what's his name?
Fam, Robert Randolph? I'm like, yo, fam, keep your hands out of basketball, B. Keep your hands on that keytar, nigga, and just chill.
Are you threatening him right now? Are you making it clear?
Yeah, I'm making it claro, my man. You got one job. Play that slide guitar that lays on the like a desk.
Drop bombs.
You know what I'm saying? You're not a GM.
New York, be clear.
Stop playing, B.
Be clear.
You know what I'm saying? We not trading Chris Knapp. Stop playing. Stop.
Heavy.
He's staying put. You know what I mean? Drop a bomb on it.
It's your man Funkmaster Flex. You know what it is. Early. Come to you live from Red Bull Studios. That orange Red Bull's mean. If you got a Dodge Charger, you got 2 years left.
You know what I'm saying? I want to see y'all around with 4 niggas in the car fish bowling.
Disgusting. Yo, if you don't write your own podcast, it's quiet for you. You can't be king of New York. Up next, we got 4 hours of me not using Ciroc. I don't know. Yo, shout out to Whoopi Goldberg yesterday for getting in Janine Carrero's ass on The View.
Oh, word?
I just happened to be walking through the living room. My mother was watching it, and she told her to get the fuck out the building or some shit like that.
What?
I was like, oh. I was like,
shit.
I didn't know. I was like, I thought the only people cursing like this at 11 a.m. was Jerry Springer, but
Whoopi ready with TTG, B.
And also,
like,
we know her. You know what I'm saying?
That's the homie. You know what I'm saying? She's in the contacts. You know what I'm saying? You can shoot her a text and be like, yo, you did your motherfucking thing, sis. With the wild clapping emojis, like, yes, go off.
Go off on her. Janine Farrell's trash. Anyway.
Yeah, she's true.
She's trash.
She's literally Michael Anthony's mom.
Yes, Michael Anthony's fucking mother.
To the
yes.
100%.
Oh, she's like somebody, you come on the Metro North, and she's taking up 3 seats, but she got her shoes off, too.
Yeah.
And she's talking loud on the phone.
Yeah.
Arguing with her daughter. Talking about, I'm not picking you up from fucking...
Carmella, I told you that you couldn't have the C class to go to fucking cheerleading. Now what is your brother going to do when he has to go to soccer?
I don't know what the fuck do you want me to do? Just order some Papa John's. Papa John did nothing wrong. Just order from it. He said the N-word. We say it all the time at the dinner table.
Who cares?
Saying this out loud on the train. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yo, man.
I'm like, yo, I can hear you.
Yo, shit.
So he said the N-word. Okay, there's a couple of niggas in there. There's niggas that make Papa John's.
Who cares?
I dated a nigga in like 1993.
Yeah, you know.
He had the big cock.
Yeah, he had a big brush hole. Who cares?
It was wild. Like, it made me gape the way your father never could. Okay? Or his shit is falling out now. His shit's like a sausage, but I'll tell you about that later. Just be on the 825, you whore. That's how he talks to the door. You're like,
As long as I pay for everything under this fucking roof, you're going to follow by my rules, all right?
Okay? In this house, we stand Papa John's.
You know what I'm saying?
You're like, how much fuck? I'm just sitting there like, you guys feel that strongly about Papa John's?
Carmelo's like, why did you treat Michael like this?
I told you never bring up Michael. I told you never bring up Michael. He's a fucking...
Yeah, well, he's a fuck up, you know? At least,
he's a fuck up?
Yeah, at least I'm a fucking phlebotomist. I'm a dental assistant.
You know what? He's a fuck up, but he's in the basement. I know where he is every night.
Yeah,
I know he's not getting his back blown out by fucking Odell Beckham Jr. or whatever, the guy with the... what are you?
He's a nice guy. He's a nice guy.
You know what they say?
He's a nice guy and he's a great dancer. And you know what they say about great dancers?
You know what they do? They're just going to use you.
So what? His cock is amazing.
Okay, all right. That language. We don't say amazing. We don't say amazing in this family.
All right, I'm sorry.
What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
Wash your mouth out.
His brajol was
I know. I used to date Montel Williams.
Yeah. He came in my mouth. It was like not a sauce.
Okay, all right.
It was like not a, with a little bit of
quiet
sugar.
car.
All right, okay.
This is a quiet car. Shut your fucking whore mouth.
I'm sorry.
That's literally how white kids talk to their parents. You just sit there like, what the fuck was that?
Did you just explain your blowjob to your mom?
The other day, I said to my mother, she called my name, and I was like, what? Don't do that, boy.
Don't do that. Oh, the nigga said what?
And it just got quiet.
That's a cardinal. Nigga, that's in the commandments.
I was like, how you call my name? And I say what? And no one answers. I came upstairs. I was like, oh, you call my bow? Caught in the back of the neck.
Yeah.
I was like,
nigga, that's like the 11th commandment. Thou shalt not what y'all moms.
And the worst part is like now I'm washed because I'm like, damn, I used to be on TV. I can't be doing shit. Like literally, my mother thinks I'm unemployed right now. She's being so mean to me, and I'm just like, lady, like I can discuss things with you.
Yo, it's
she's
a
like,
break.
Every morning she's like, so, so you don't work no more?
No.
Then it's one.
You know, for job.
Just home before this. Wearing the same outfit. Doing nothing. Well, if I'm not leaving the house, why I'm gonna wear a different outfit?
So I'm saving you time and energy and detergent and water and heat.
Don't worry.
And gas.
I wash my own clothes. Don't worry about it. I'll do what I want.
I wash it by hand by the river with the rocks.
Okay, if I want to wear this ratty old Bodega Boys shirt for 4 days straight, let me live my life. I'm sitting in the dark, no AC, just sweating. My cat looking at me like, we can't live like this. He was like, didn't you just have a driver? I'm like, yeah, I used to. Yeah. That's the old me. Just going, put mad quarters together, go buy a Coca-Cola at the store and shit, just to talk to the bodega owner like, so what's up, Ahmed?
Oh, how you doing, man?
Hey.
How's it been?
Your son Melo's going to Atlanta now.
How about that?
What do you think about that?
Huh?
This Trump guy. Yeah. Wow. What's he doing? He's like, Papi,
Papi, I have a line. Ahmed can talk to you about.
How long has cat been in this bodega?
He been here.
I had a cat once. He caught mice.
He been here many years. He caught many mice today.
Well, you ever do anything for his birthday? Hey, come here, kitty. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Hey, whoa. Hey, what the fuck is wrong with this cat? I don't need this right here. I'm going to the Dominican salon. They're nice. I'm just walking around the block in a robe, just bothering niggas. I'm in the bodega restocking the shelves for free. They didn't even ask me to do this shit. I'm just like, all right, Papi, we need more. We got 5 Heineken. 1, 2, 3, 4. Papi, I need more. I need access to the basement. He's like, yo, fam, you don't
even work here, dog.
Like, I know. I'm just saying, just trying to help out.
Papi, pero tú no working here. That's not. Thank you. That's good.
They come and ask for a chopped cheese. I hop over the counter and say, like, what you need? Put out a hairnet. I'm like, yeah. What's up? Yeah, how you start this grill? Niggas trying to start the grill with matches. What's up? I got you. What you want?
Spray mad oil all over the shit, like shit on fire.
You want chopped cheese with cilantro? You want feta and kale? They're like, nigga, what? I was like, I'm sorry, I was in Williams.
It's for too long. I'm sorry.
So you want Ovio on it? What do you want? Alovi?
Would you like this on a pita? Yo, who the fuck is Peter, nigga? That nigga owe me like $25 for like 10 years already, B.
Violate this shit.
I'm about to see that motherfucker, B, when I see him on the block.
So you want like a microbiotic sauce on that?
A micro what?
Okay.
Nigga, I'm clean, bro. I went to the clinic last week. I'm good.
Right, cool. I was trying to help you.
I want no fucking microbiotics.
All right, so you want a chopped cheese with lettuce, tomato, food, what is that? Falafel, peanut bread.
Whoa. Yo.
Fental?
Yo, my man right here name is Falafel, B. How you gonna disrespect him like that, B?
Niggas get his face chopped and shit like, I was just trying to make a sandwich.
I look like I'll be making sandwiches? That's a classic fucking World Star video.
Also, shout out to everyone. I was on Twitter yesterday. It was like, where's the G in sandwich? And it's like, if you listen to this podcast, you hear the G in sandwich. There's a G in sandwich.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, right?
If you're in New York, you call it a sandwich.
It's a chopped cheese sandwich.
Sandwich. Yeah. It's even more like, I don't know. Heather's been in the Bronx too long because she does not even pronounce the D. Like, it's just straight up sandwich. I'm like, are you my mom? Like, the only other person I've heard totally eliminate the D from the word sandwich is my mom. She'd be like, "Tu quiero sandwich."
I was gonna make a young M.A. joke, but it's not really a joke at this point. We know her. So. I was gonna say she eliminates the D, but no, she doesn't.
Hey.
Actually, she be slanging that shit. So shout out to her. She was out wilding out with Tory Banks, her ex.
Yeah.
Also, shout out to Azalea Banks going on wilding out and saying that they was rude to her.
Like, ma'am, you're going on a roast show?
That's like dentist to be like, yo, he touched my teeth.
Yo,
like,
he touched my teeth.
Shit happens when you go on wilding out.
Yo,
shout out to Carlos and DC and Chico and all them niggas. Shout out to Darren.
You know what I mean?
Shout out to Julia. Shout out to Nick Cannon. You know,
the whole gang.
Justina.
Wilding out gang.
The Wild Out gang.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Teddy Ray.
Oh, everybody out there, man.
But yeah, bro, like, if you, like, have you not, this show's been on the air for like 30 years. It's like the Black Sabbath Gigante, nigga. Like, you don't know about Wilding Out? Like, you get roasted. Like, the end of the show is like you literally get roasted.
The whole show is you get roasted. Shout out to Tim in the ghetto.
Yeah.
Just top the house. I see you play, boy.
I see you play, boy.
Big power moves. I realize.
You know what I'm saying?
You're not buying Ferragamo belt. You're buying property. I respect
you know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all my Asian people making smart moves. I'm very proud of you. But yeah, she was like, they were colorists and all that. I was like, Mom, we've been on Wildin' Out.
Like
you try to tell me all the niggas on Wildin' Out got together and no, nigga, you know what? Here's what happened. They were wilding out.
Yeah.
That's what happens on that show.
When you go on Wildin' Out, they find out whatever your like little button is.
And they
just pushing that shit, bro. They push that shit to shreds. Like,
we was on Wildin' Out. They made fun of Nick Cannon with Mariah. Someone said, Nick Cannon, you have weak kidneys.
Yes.
That's his show.
Yo.
If you say shit like that to Nick Cannon on his show, It's listen,
Like,
all bets is off.
Anybody could get it. Like if the literal executive producer, host of the show, financier of the show can get it, you can get it.
Anybody could get it.
Like, stop playing, man.
You know what I'm saying? And you know what? Though I think what hurts the most is sometimes the jokes don't be that funny, but damn, the reaction.
Ooh.
They flashing the lights. 60 models come out.
Like,
niggas in the audience is like really rocking
and shit.
Like, bottles in the air. You like, yo, that shit was not that. He be like, your mother got a chin hair. You be like, yo, wow, wow. It's like 5 minutes of niggas celebrating around you. Like, yo, my mother's right there. She has no chin hair.
Niggas doing a Dame Dash dance and shit on stage. Like, what the fuck?
Like, champagne on you and shit. You're like, damn, that was hurtful.
Damn, me.
Why would
Damn, come on, man.
Come on, man. I thought we was being friendly.
Niggas said all types of wild shit on wild. Like, that's not even the wildest shit I've ever heard. Like
Wild Now. The shit's called Wild Now.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Corey Holcomb is on Wildin' Out.
Exactly.
Like, come on, man.
Exactly, nigga.
Like, what the fuck do you expect?
Oh.
Like, get over it.
Oh man.
I mean, I'm not gonna say get over it, but like,
not get over it, but you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You know what you're walking into.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. It's like if you go to a Bodega Boys show, you know what I'm saying? The shit's not gonna be, inside the actor studio.
You know what I'm saying?
It's not gonna be me and Mero with like a bunch of index cards and shit.
Nah.
So, Joel,
yeah, how do you feel about
what was the first time you decided to call yourself Barmelo's Anthony? What was your process?
Well, one day I ingested a bar and was watching a Knicks game, and Melo hit an outside three. And
Boo, this shit is whack. Do the AKs.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I'm saying? When you come to a Bodega Boys show, you know what I'm saying? Expect a stabbing. You know what I'm saying? Expect alcohol to be consumed. You know what I'm saying? Expect L's to be lit. You know what I'm saying? Expect a little broogie in your mouth.
Somebody was asking because they went to the Bodega Boys show in Atlanta, and the security was OD tight. And then they went to some other show afterwards, and there was no security. That was us, nigga. Hey, you know what? It's not because we're scared of y'all. If we just wanted to make a fair fight.
You know what I'm saying?
Say, because if you come to the Bodega Boys show to kill us,
yeah,
nigga, you better kill both of us. I've seen everything but Christ, nigga.
I've seen everything but motherfucking Christ, cuz. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, it was open carry state, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't trust y'all niggas.
I get on my peoples from Chef shit like, you kill my brother, you best kill me, motherfucker.
Listen, you kill Mero, I'm going to be there in like a white linen shirt to stab myself. Like,
you best kill me, motherfucker.
Bodega Boys, that brand is strong. Stab myself, I'm bleeding out. Nigga don't even kill me and shit. He's like, you've lost like 6 pints of blood already. I was like,
He's like, I'm just let this nigga bleed out. I don't even know.
It's very hot in here. Does anyone have an ottoman?
I'm getting faint.
I want to sit down.
I got that. Please. Shout out to Busta Rhymes, supporting actor in that movie. He was like the wild taxi driver in Shaft. Damn.
Hey.
Shout out to Busta.
Nigga do the reference too.
Yeah.
It's a Shaft.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, and shout out to fucking your man Shiggy getting all types of recognition for the Shiggy dance. Like everybody's doing that shit. That's like the new dance craze.
Listen, no, not to hate on your man's success. Shout out to Shiggy. Much continued success.
You know what I'm saying?
Take that fucking challenge. If I see one more of it, I'm gonna shoot somebody.
Oh man!
All right, I'm on my old Harlem nigga shit now. I see that shit on the timeline. I'm like, I'm tired of shit.
I'm tired of this new shit.
And then niggas was like, Will Smith killed it because he did it on like a bridge in Budapest or some shit. That nigga just got money.
He just got money.
He just got money.
He probably did that shit like on a Wednesday afternoon. It was like just went on like Budapest.com and cop tickets like and just flew out there just
go
to
on
do
top of the shit. That's not a flex.
Yeah,
there's some kid doing it on a pissy mattress in like Bangladesh.
You know what I'm saying? Killing it.
Also, shout out to Drake. They said Drake lost $500,000 because he didn't drop the album in physical format before he dropped it for streaming. And they said that's like
50 million?
$500,000.
Oh, $500,000. Oh.
Which I heard that and I was like, that's not that much.
I feel like the guy makes like $1 million a show at least.
But I mean, like much more than that.
Yeah,
much more than that. But it's just like, I mean, if you could just leave $500,000 on the table, like,
you're doing it.
You're doing it, boy. I can't get mad at you. I mean, I'll definitely come in later like, you just gonna leave this $500,000?
That's like me leaving $1 on this turntable and walking out and then being like 2 blocks away.
I don't know if it is.
And just being like, I don't want it.
No, I think it's a little more than that. I think I want to say $500,000 is more than $1 to Drake. I think,
Or 20. I'm coming back for a 20 though. I don't give a fuck.
A 20. If you leave a 20, you come back?
I'm coming back for a 20. I don't care.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? That's useful. You can buy 1 pack of Dutch Guts and like some Now and Laters.
Oh no, Poppy heard my rant on the podcast.
So he bought it back.
He still give me the entourage for
the low.
For the low.
Don't blow
Shout to him.
Shout to him. Yo.
Shout to
We're
him.
not gonna blow you up. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? He recognizes a real G when he sees one.
You know what I'm saying?
He's sitting on blues in the House of Blues.
You know what I'm saying?
Going
And back to
Cali.
Cali. That's right.
Oh man. Ooh. How's that Red Bull going for you?
Oh, it's delicious. They got the lime joint, but it's sugar free. I don't know how I feel about that, but I fuck with lime. I fuck with orange. I'm blending them. I'm making a mocktail.
Wow, this guy's on some other shit.
You know
Yo, shout out to Jay Smooth. Shout out to Jay Smooth for the legendary hip hop radio show, The Underground Railroad, who's leaving WBAI in protest because the station hired some guy after he had allegations of inappropriate conduct. Leonardo Lapote or some shit like that. I just put 2 and 2 together last night because I was like, WBAI, what is that? That sounds mad familiar. That's the longest running, one of the longest running hip hop shows. They used to have the call sign used to be
Is that the college shit?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
so
shit.
Underground Railroad, they always had the hits on there. They always had the freestyles and shit. So Jay Smooth. Yes. You know what it is. So he's leaving in protest. Shout out to him. You know what I'm saying? I stands with the homie
You
Jay
know what I'm
Smooth.
saying?
Taking a very measured mark right there. It's a shame that he has to, and I'm sure Underground Railroad.
But you know what?
Good, but
Since we're the Bodega Boys and we have high influence, Revolt or somebody of that nature, yo, pick that shit up. Keep it moving. Keep the tradition going.
keep it going. Keep the Underground Railroad going.
You know what I'm
Choo
saying?
choo.
Make it
Oh
happen.
wow. It's called Underground Railroad like slavery.
Oh,
Yo, hip hop. Nah, just
real hip hop.
Craft to Black Moon.
Chicken.
How many MCs must get this? That's my new. Listen, if your shit don't bang when I got a JanSport on, I can't listen to it.
Nah, bro.
Shit, I be dressing like the '90s now in my house. I see it now. Like I see how like you when growing up, you always see like older heads. You was like, damn, these niggas don't care. We're fashionable. That's me, man. I had my Gino Green shirt on with all the 9s yesterday. Like, yeah.
Yeah, that's my
I was like,
shit.
who wants a felony? What's up?
This is my
out
shit.
here. A dare nigga. Nigga, y'all know about that blue Metro car music.
You don't know about this shit?
Oh.
That's right. Cut a nigga face music.
See, it's starting
You know what I'm
out
saying?
you like, yo. Man, you get on the train and someone's playing this off their phone.
Yeah. I just throw the instrumental on because the opening line is wild problematic.
Bye
in a Bati Boy head.
You're like, okay.
Okay, all right.
Said Bati Boys at the bar, like, I was just getting a martini. Like,
That's all.
why?
Just getting a Cosmo.
Shout out to this casual homo. You know.
Oh shit! I thought it was your computer. I was like, this shit's still
We
going.
can just do an instrumental for the rest of the show.
Yeah, we just gonna freestyle for like 30 minutes.
No, casual dancehall homophobia will also catch you at the other day. So I was on this 233rd walking up the block, and it was like boom, bye, and a Bati Boy, and I was like, whoa. I was like,
Whoa.
sir, it is 7 a.m.
Whoa, okay.
Like, why are you blasting this on? Where do you work at? Are you gonna go draw blood at Montefiore? Like, this is not. Like, relax.
Yo, those are and it's crazy because those are like the joints that you throw in at the barbecue and everybody go up.
Everyone just
like,
said yes for shit. The hood rat you just met off of Instagram, but you invited her to the barbecue to impress your family.
She go off.
She had her fake red bottoms in the grass sinking in. Like, yeah.
She don't give a fuck.
She's like,
yo, Lagan and step on Chichi man.
I'm like,
Lagan.
my cousin's gay.
Yo, chill.
He got the rainbow flag.
He got the
right
rainbow
there.
flag. It's Pride Month,
So
man.
family's doing it synchronized and shit. I'm like, 2 hops this time. Well, I'm like, that's not even.
No,
Y'all took another dance
and made it Jamaican? All right, cool. That's fine.
Now Charlie Brown. Stomp on the stomp on the
Stomp on the Chichi man. Yo, R.I.P. to Bogle. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Everybody after you do the Bogle bounce.
That was my cousin.
You know what I'm saying? I believe it.
It probably was.
It's very
Listen,
highly
there's
likely.
5 families in Jamaica.
Yeah.
If you're not what that shit is Game of Thrones. I've never seen Game of Thrones.
Every island is like that. Every island has like 5 last names, and you're all related somehow.
Not every island. Long Island's not like that. Hey, what's going on?
Hey, only Staten Island. Everybody.
Staten Island. It's not 5 family, but it's 5 strains. You know what I'm saying? And
You know
there's
what
5
I'm
people you call. And one of those people you call is Julio for
Yeah,
what?
that's right.
If your fucking guts hurt.
Yeah, that's right. You need a hot bag. Cool.
Did you see our guy Michael Anthony was selling jewelry? Oh no, the Home Shop Network. Everyone was like, "What is this? What Michael Anthony's doing?" I guarantee you, he's selling his mother Janine Perreault's jewelry.
Yeah. He's like, I got a pretty lit necklace. You know what I'm saying? It's really nice. It's 4-carat diamonds.
Up next, we got a fucking Fox News brooch. Don't ask where it comes from, bro.
Yeah,
First offer, I take it.
Yeah, it's game worn. It's signed.
He's answering the phone on the first call. He's like,
hey, how you doing? Hey,
I was calling about the Fox News brooch. What's the price?
It's listed at $38.99.
Yeah, well, how much you got? How much you got?
How much you got? I'll give it to you for $5 right now.
Where you at? I'll come meet you right now.
You got cash?
You in Indiana? All right, I'll start walking right now. I'll hit you and I'll stay away.
A dope fee will walk for $5.
A dope fee will definitely walk 5 states for $5.
Dope fees be like, I will walk 500 miles and I will walk 500 miles for dog food, for dog food, for dog food, for dog food.
Oh man,
goddamn!
And they will do it faster than Google Maps says it's doing.
Yo,
like you go and you be like, how long does it take to walk from New York to Indiana? And Google Maps like, that's gonna be at least 8 days, fam. I'm here already.
You looking at the Google Maps and shit turns into a car out of nowhere. Like how? Like this nigga walking or in a car? Like I can't. GPS is tweaking and shit. Like, yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, Michael Anthony is 1 block away.
He's moving. It's like
it's a scratching in there. Like, yeah.
It's like the public transportation icon, the car icon, the walking shit, the bike shit, then the Michael Anthony shit.
Like, yeah,
yeah.
Let's fucking walk. Let's fucking walk, bro. Oh, Putin got a summit. I'll meet you there. You're like,
I'll meet you there, bro.
How you gonna walk across the? Oh, that. Don't worry about it.
I swam home from Rikers. Don't worry about it. I swam to Moscow.
You in the big fucking freight with mad cargo and shit. Just see Michael Anthony next to you, like doing a butterfly stroke, like,
right by the garbage barge and shit. Like
he got a bag of dope on his head, keeping the shit dry.
Yeah.
Nigga fucks up. Nigga smokes the dope out of a dolphin. Nigga light up
like,
a dolphin.
It got a hole on top.
Yeah. Now my guts don't hurt so much, huh?
Oh man. I can swim another 5,000 miles.
Thank you, Shamu. Get the fuck out of here, you bottle nose.
That's definitely a racial slur to him and shit. Like, niggas called like Asian people bottle noses.
Hey, get the fuck out of here, you bottle nose.
You fucking bottle nose asshole.
Hey, oh wow, I thought this was a cool bar. Look, it's full of porpoises.
Hey. The only whales I like are beluga whales.
You know what it is, baby beluga.
That's right.
Live beneath the sea.
And you know why?
Shout out to my guy Raffy. That's the homie.
Raffy.
Oh man.
How do we get in that lane, in that little kid lane where you just make you do like some stupid 5-page book and get paid $1 gazillion?
We'll be there soon enough.
Yeah, I can't wait.
I mean, you know what I'm saying?
Can't fucking wait. I'm just gonna make my kids write books and just put them out. Like
nobody wants to read what kids. See, that's the thing. You don't want to read what kids write. You want to be an adult and write stuff for kids because kids write stupid shit.
Kids write stupid shit.
They'll be like, "Yo, my space shuttle is wearing a dress. Get the fuck out of here."
But that's the thing. Like kids write dumb shit, and then they like I've seen my kids like sit around and write dumb shit and then read it to each other and just like fall out laughing. I'm like, that makes no sense at all.
Fuck kids.
I'm like, I don't understand what you just wrote, and it's not good. But they're like, yo, all the little friends are like, yeah, his head went boom.
Just dumb.
Like, yo, kids, grow up. Your brain needs to develop more.
Yo, you know what? This is our new show. It's called Cancel Culture. Guess what? Kids are canceled. Yeah. Guess right. It's quiet for kids. Shout out to our sponsor. You know what I'm saying? I forgot about this guy. Do you remember Mr. Resetti? Animal Crossing?
Oh, shit.
Does anyone remember that? If you turn off the Animal Crossing, if you reset with Animal Crossing on, or you like press power without saving, Mr. Resetti, he's like a mole. He comes out and he starts talking to you, and he does like the wild long speech to make you feel bad about like doing that. Like he wastes your time. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. Because people used to do that to reset. Because Animal Crossing, there was like a market, and you get like new products at midnight or whatever. So they reset the clock, kind of like how Candy Crush has the time. Or whatever,
right. So you switch the time back, and now you got free shit.
Yes. So
now this shit got like the wild fucking PSA in between. Like if you do that,
he's based off of his name is Vicious Voli Vinny. He possibly based off of my cousin Vinny. He's supposed to have a Bronx accent. That's the whole thing. But he doesn't because he's like, listen, We got some watch references here.
Shut down. Animal Crossing.
They need Mr. Resetty for like when you about to go raw. He just pops up like, whoa. He just talks to you from Mad Log to get underwrecked. He's making for the comment. He's like, whoa,
what are you doing over there?
Wait, you about to? Excuse me. You about to? You about to go in that thing raw?
What's wrong with you? Hey, pal.
Are you using your noggin?
Hey, come on, pal. Come on. Put a strap on before you send it in. All right?
You even know her?
Yeah, come on.
Hey, you about to put your dick in there like the little Thai kids in the mine?
Come on.
Huh?
You're crazy.
Elon Musk, you gonna send a tube to save your balls in there?
What are you, some kind of jerk off? Huh?
Would Mike Francesa do that?
Yeah, would he? Huh?
Also, shout out to Mike Francesa. Listen, that's a homie now.
Yeah.
I mean, we know him. Like you said, you met Mike Francesa. You're never gonna fail.
Never gonna fail.
Apparently, him and his wife sleep in separate beds.
Wow, that's old people shit.
Yeah, you know what I think it is? I think because Mike is just so fertile, and like I know Mike be banging that shit out.
Yeah, he's like
sandals.
It's like I can't resist.
Can't resist.
You know, you got the tits
it's
of a
probably
burglar.
The wife probably was just like, Mike, I need enough. I need a break.
That's enough.
I need a break.
I have enough. I've had enough of your sauce.
Imagine like she's trying to sleep and Mike's like,
Mike's on.
First time, long time. Hey! I got a trade for you, huh? I dick for that choach. I'll hang up and listen.
Straight up, I hang up and listen. Nigga puts his dick like, Mike's on.
They got a little fucking Diet Coke wrapper on and shit like, yeah.
Sports radio, 60-inch.
WFAN. Yeah. He's ready to go on the fan. New York Sports Radio. Nigga definitely plays the theme music when he comes in. They come in naked, really rocking.
Yeah. With the tiny whities with the dick hole.
Nah, no tiny whities. Straight naked. Straight naked. He got on like a WFAN, like the fucking tiger print thong, where he got the dick on the side. Like, yeah.
They got the elephant trunk shit.
Yeah. They come with the Pope hat, like, yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
What's up?
Yeah, you ready to get blessed?
It's been a long time. I should have left you. She's like, Mike, you didn't retire from here.
Man, come on.
Like,
what are you doing?
Bill Simmons in the back, like, yeah, tear it up.
I thought we were going to Trader Joe's.
Oh, no. I said I was about to trade up that Joe. You know what it is? Yeah. Yeah. You want some artisanal cranberry?
I said I was going to eat the choach, not Trader Joe's.
Yeah. I got a trade proposal for you. I hang up and listen. How about I beat the brakes off that pussy? I'm like, that's not a trade proposal.
Yo, what the fuck?
Oh, man.
Yo.
Shout out to my Francesa blowing it. I feel like, who you think is tearing it up more, Mike Francesa or Michael K?
Definitely Mike Francesa.
Mike Francesa.
He's got the guts of a burglar.
He got Mike Francesa probably comes like a tray of lasagna, but don't eat the lasagna. Like he just drinks the juice. Like while he's about sweaty and shit, while he's humping away. Like,
just smash it.
Oh, gabagool, yeah.
Michael K be like missionary making love and shit. Like
Michael K would stop and be like, you like that? You like that? You like that? I've never had a banana. I've never had a banana. Say it. Repeat that, you fucking bitch. Never had a banana. Yeah.
She's like, you've never had a banana, Michael. I know. You've been doing this for 20 years. I get it.
I never had soup.
You've never had soup.
I never had soup. You fucking cut.
Yeah, you've never had soup.
Sorry.
Give me my soup, Daddy. Give me my soup. Thank you.
You never had soup, man.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Have you never been sick in your life?
There's sometimes soup just pops up on you. Like you never ordered sushi and they just put soup in there?
Yeah, you like, oh, fuck, I'll take a couple sips of this little miso soup. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it. Damn, bro. Manny Machado went to the fucking Dodgers. I thought he was going to come to the Yankees.
Good for him. Get him out of here. He's injury prone. Why would we trade for him for half a year? Also, get him out of here.
He was going to sign long term.
Listen, we don't need it. We need starting pitching. Also, he's injury prone. Also, now he's no longer in the AL. That's not our problem anymore. That's not our problem. That's true. Get him out of here.
That's true.
Listen, it's Yankees only.
Yeah, that's true. The Yankees do definitely need a starting pitcher, and I'm scared because everybody out there is like semi-bum or semi-washed or too expensive. Like niggas talking about Cole Hamels. I'm like, nah, get him out of here, bro.
Nah, we don't Cole Hamels.
Get him out of here.
I think the Yankees will be okay. We don't need starting pitching. I think what's going to happen is there's going to be a correction to the mean. A lot of the teams that are like really hot right now, they're going to cool off.
Yeah.
I don't see the Red Sox being as hot for the rest of the season.
No way.
It's not happening.
No way.
Sorry, all you. I know you guys just spit your shout out. I'm saying it's my hot take.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
There's going to be a correction to the mean.
Yeah.
And you know what? I don't
clowns.
see the Yankees being in that wild card position.
No.
I don't see that.
They win a division. Chris Sale can't pitch every game, you fucking bums.
Yeah.
You jerks.
Yeah.
You know
Also, Chris Sale sounds like some sort of 80s like emo singer and shit.
Yeah, like Chris.
Who's gonna drive you home? Tonight. Oh shit, it's Chris Sale. Oh shit.
Oh, I love his.
Lady in red. But it's like the boss. Lady in red. Your tits look great to me.
You got a great pedicans.
Yay, look at the ass. It sits up like cheeks. I'd put my tongue in there. Really lick your little taint hole. What more can I say?
Yo.
Fucking Fenway bitch in front of me. And she's like, oh my God,
what did they talk about?
He drops down his knee and proposes. Everyone's like, oh, so romantic.
Oh, it's so romantic. Sure, they got the Boston tramp stamp.
Yeah, when you go to Fenway, that's what the gays be like. They're like, hey, Marissa, will you fucking marry me? They're like, oh my fucking God, Johnny, I will. You're like, what the fuck?
Then she just like bends over like, oh my God, to look at the ring, and like you see the wild bee on her back.
Wild
like,
bee that she got when Nomar was there, so she ain't popping no more.
She's wild faded.
Now she look like the little Kim bee. It's like kind of like dripping shit. I'm like, gone for a minute, but I'm back with
Shout out to Mr. Cheeks.
Shout out to Mr. Cheeks, a legend in the game.
Yeah.
Lights, camera, actions.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, that's gonna be my wedding
Miss
song.
Jackson.
All right, think about come to the stage. Give it up for the new couple, Mr. and Mrs. Desus. Nice, like.
You gotta have some like
MTA. This is for my boys. It's a freaky time.
We lose. My man, speak nice.
This is me and my bride, and we're doing the dance and shit. Spot Street representing. There we go. You gotta lower the dress. I'm like, high. Wow.
You're both wearing 40 below Timbs.
Yeah, exactly. Who's the best? Who's the worst in this hit rap game? Oh, nah, she from the 40 side. What do you want? Get yourself a Queens girl from the 40 side.
Yo.
Shout out to my ex-boo from Jamaica, Queens.
You know what I'm saying?
That was yo. You ever look back in your life and be like, yo, I have dealt with some real ass niggas.
Yo,
I dated a girl in Jamaica, Queens. Her door broke, and instead of getting a lock fix, she just pushed a bike against the shit. And she lived right around the corner. This is how y'all know I'm not lying. She lived right by the fucking Wendy's. When you come right off of the Van Wyck Expressway. Oh, man. I was like, yo, Ma, like, niggas just going to your house. She was like, I hope they don't.
Ooh.
I was like, okay, all right, Ma.
Wow.
Shout out to her. She used to go to the bodega with like a face mask on and shit. She was wild out here.
Fam.
Like, she was hood for real. Shout out to you, Ma. She
Shout
also was lying about her age. She was like 20 years older than me. Well, it's whatever.
It's all good. Hey, listen.
If you don't find out early on in the relationship, you can't.
I was gonna say age ain't nothing but a number, but that has been that's a very bad thing to say nowadays.
Bernie Sanders finger wave. No.
You can't say that.
Flag on play. Problematic light is on.
Yeah. Woo, red flag.
Problematic light is on.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Shorty who invited me in her crib to smash, and then was just like, "Yo, we can't smash in my crib because my uncle's in there backing up dope, so I gotta suck your dick in the staircase." Shout out to you. I'm not gonna say your name because you're probably a professional phlebotomist right now doing your thing, and I don't want to blow you up.
I was about to say that's a bad story, but that's actually a beautiful Bronx Hallmark story. Like, you play that shit on Thanksgiving.
You know what I'm saying?
Sit there with your family, like, oh,
that's
romantic. That's so romantical.
Yo.
He didn't get his dick sucked while they was bagging up dope.
Yo,
that's beautiful.
His uncle was not in the back with the little sifter. Like, you
that's
know
basically Cinderella for the Bronx. Cinderella. Like the little fucking mice and shit. Niggas making a condom for you. Like, here, enjoy.
I was low key shook because it was like a 5th floor like building, and we was on the top floor, like right before the rooftop. But you know, in those buildings, when as soon as you open the rooftop door, the alarm goes off. So I was like, I can't open it. We can't go on the roof. So we got to stay right here. There's mad Dutch cuts everywhere because that's what niggas smoke. So you have the added tensity of like, yo, I'm getting toppy publicly. If cops roll up in here, I'm getting arrested. If the niggas don't want to come upstairs to smoke, on a, you know what I'm saying, up here, come up here, they're gonna bag me getting topped off by Shorty who was not, you know what I'm saying, like the not, you know what I'm saying. Not, you don't necessarily want to get caught with this person getting topped off. That's all I'll say.
That's sad.
You know what I'm saying? But shout
Sick,
there.
sad world.
Shout there though.
Yo, in our new segment called The Redhead Report, former rough sleeper Ed Sheeran wins permission for anti-homeless gates outside his $8 million London home, which is funny because a rough sleeper is like, he was homeless. Your man used to sleep on the street.
Wow.
Now your man made it, and your man is like, yeah, y'all niggas not sleeping in front of my $8 million home. So they're putting up like cast iron railings and pedestrian gates outside his converted Victorian brickworks Kensington and Chelsea house. Prevent opportunities for rough sleeping. That's British term for homeless.
For homeless?
Rough sleeping.
New York is ill for that because like they're like any type of like flat platform that there is, they'll put like medieval Iron Maiden spikes on, like on purpose. Like, fuck you, don't sleep here, nigga. Like,
I mean, we're not as bad as like I was surprised Seattle is has a homeless problem, and fucking Oakland, San Francisco.
Yo,
that's just the mayor of San Francisco was like, she was like, yo, homeless people, can you stop shitting in the street?
Please.
And they were just like, oh, could you let us in stores and shit? Like, what do you think we want to shit in the street? Like, you can't get mad at homeless people for being homeless.
Like, yo, come on.
Like,
Giuliani tried that. It didn't work.
Like, fam, like, no one wakes up like, you know what? I'm tired of having a house.
Fuck a house.
I want to be homeless.
I like to get rained on.
I say that, but there's like some fucking trustafarian white kids like, yeah, let's try the most
I'm a crust
color. And most people do not want to be homeless.
Yeah.
It's not an experience. It's not, so do you do so you can write a Refinery 29 article.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
none of those people refer to themselves as freegans.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? No one wants to go through the fucking Whole Foods garbage. No. It's wild because when you think about it, when you think of homeless people, you don't think of them as people.
It's just like, yo, you're a nuisance.
It's like, don't touch me.
What are you?
And they're like, yo, I'm you.
I'm a person.
I'm you. 2 checks away from that. Like, let you not get 2 checks, you're homeless. Yeah. You or me.
Guess what, dickhead? I was born in a hospital just like you.
I think that's
a little warmer.
We see people, you see homeless people, and I think it's the whole idea that you could become homeless is so scary to people. That's why homeless people are scary to people.
Yeah.
It's just like, nah, that's not gonna be me. That could be you.
That could be you.
That could be you. Be nice to the homeless people.
Yeah. And for people from out of town, they're just like, yo, I've heard stories. This person might hurt me.
Yeah.
Like, yo, just mind your fucking business.
We need affordable housing.
You know what I'm saying?
Also, shout out to the Bodega Boys. We're on our socialist wave. I don't know if Mero realizes what that means. We're gonna give all our money away at some point.
I'll give some away.
No, all of it. We're giving it all away, and we're also gonna kill Jeff Bezos.
Oh, okay. I'm done.
We have a list. It's Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk. If you guys don't give away, Hasan, disguise my voice for this so they don't know it's me saying this.
If you don't give away half of your money by next week, we're gonna kill it.
You know what? Actually, I gave it up. Fuck it. They're gonna know it's me.
Yeah, fuck it. Why not?
They're gonna be like, it was one of the 2 people on Bodega Boys. It wasn't Mero. I'll be like, yeah, welcome to F Society. I'm like, they're gonna be playing this in court, and my lawyer's gonna be like, yeah, you didn't even fucking try, did you?
FBI's gonna raid locksmith and shit, and this nigga's gonna take one headphone on. Like, what the fuck are y'all talking about?
They'll be like, who did what?
Who did what?
Who did what?
What are you talking about, nigga? I just mixed this shit down. Get the fuck out of here, bro. I'm in the middle of a set.
They're gonna give us on like a plea deal, and I'm like, nah. Like, they're gonna read the plea deal. I'm like, nah. He had to take that shit. You lucked out. That shit's kind of fire. In the plea deal, they go like, Hasan is going to testify on the behalf of the state. He also. He also wants me to let the court know that Locksmiths is popping every Friday. Be sure to come through. DJ Hasan, you know what it is. Ladies are free before 12.
You know what I'm saying?
I just said that like, is this nigga doing a promo on my fucking
you know what I'm saying?
Style?
Special guest James E. D. fucking Brocante Dimelo, you know what I'm saying? And any one of the 3 could pull up at any moment.
Also, I'm kind of tight because I can't go. I'm talking about lawyer. I'll be like, yo, can you get me a stay of... Can you get me out there?
It's some bereavement.
Like, we got a live. Act like it's my mother's funeral and shit. Nigga turning up with the chains on and shit.
Oh, shit.
So I was like, oh, shit, Jesus got a new dance. Do the shackle. Do the shackle. Hey. Shake them chains. Niggas add that to Fortnite. It's the new dance. Yo. It's the shackle.
Yo, my God.
She kills it. Like, it's the Shaquille.
It's the Shaquille.
It's the Shaq attack.
It's the Shaquille.
Fuck you, Shaq.
Fuck out of here. I think we could fuck up Shaq now.
Nah, obviously, after being in the room with him and Charles, we have a better chance fucking up Charles Barkley than we do Shaq.
Oh yeah, probably.
I know that.
Oh yeah, no, for sure.
I feel like Shaq will hit us, and it won't be like a hard hit, but be one of those hits that later on you find out like you're concussed now.
Yeah.
Or like there's pooling on you. There's
like
pooling
a month
in your
later.
brain.
There's been
blood.
slow blood leakage. Yeah.
Like Shaq will fuck you up. Yeah. Shaq, Karl Malone, Charles Oakley, all those older big black guys.
Oh,
nah, you can't fight them. Imagine
Charles Oakley though.
Yo, Charles Oakley.
Charles Oakley's out here wilding.
I just realized Charles Oakley is just me in a couple years.
Yo,
think about it. He in Master Go Guard trying to fight niggas.
Yo,
he out here, like he's cheating in Vegas.
Yo,
how much money does Charles Oakley got? He reneged on bets.
Fam, like
not even at the private casino. And the regular shit.
Regular shit, bro.
The regular shit.
Oh, niggas at the $5 table talking about, nah, take that bet back.
Take that bet back.
Nah, bro.
Come on, you can't do that.
This ain't a dice game, nigga. Like, you ain't, just because you the biggest nigga here don't mean you in charge of the game. Like,
who gonna test me, huh? Who gonna test me? Oh, man. Yo, it's episode 119. Yo, free the homie Bobby Shmurda. You know this.
You know what I'm saying? GS9, free Rowdy.
Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stick Fat Lacteria, a.k.a. Chris Astro Singer, Eli Bit B,
you know what I'm saying?
Billy Gully, Silver might know you, but Young Day Hardy, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando Zudorando, 1994, Mikel going off, Juve Boss, MC P. You know what I was thinking about as an AKA? Mr. Showtime.
Showtime?
That should work, right?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Put up for 40 with your shorty, AKA don't talk to me in the Uber pool. You gotta make that too like a don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
Don't talk to me.
I don't know you, nigga.
I don't know you.
That's literally when you go in the Uber pool, sing that jingle. I don't care even if you're white, sing that. Sing that. Whoever's in it. I don't know you, nigga. David, let's see how it goes. My original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss. So don't make it hot, man.
Come on, B.
Fam, clearly these are all my family members from Jamaica. I just want them at
that's
the
it,
open bar.
bro. Why you think they're in the barrel?
Come on, man. These Rossi and Jamaica Jew. Yo, I recently sent barrels down. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't know if they reached. I hope you got enough money for when they reach port, auntie.
Yo.
But you know what I'm saying? That's good. I'm sure there's some CDRs in there.
Yeah.
I sent down a fresh Sound Blaster sound card for your PC.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Enjoy that.
I sent down some thread.
I sent mad Rockstar gaming apparel.
Oh, everything. Everything.
Mad tote bags and shit. My nanny was like, oh, you send barrels back to your country. I was like, yeah. Okay. She's like, yeah, man, I have 4 barrels in my house right now. Me feel up to sell them back.
My cousin Carlton, please listen to the very explicit instructions. Enjoy that copy of MLB 2011 for PS2 I sent you. Okay? I sent down a memory card with you. You've got to start the whole season. Right? You're 82 games in. It's good. Jabba Chamberlain's still good in it.
It's still good.
Got coonery about the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay.
Hey.
3 Phone Jones. DJ Magna. J. Chuckle. Stanley Cup. Human Dr. Miles Able. Dilute. DNR the Trap. Yo. It's 240p because I like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
Show me all that pubic hair.
Yeah.
DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listening to Wash FM. Up next.
What do we got?
What do we got next? We got 30 Seconds to Mars.
Wow.
King of Queens.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Jared Leto Roy.
That's right. We're going emo. That's right. Desus now got bangs. I got on a leather coat. I'm standing in a weird part of the high school parking lot. You're like, he's pretty cool, but I think he might shoot the scooter.
Chill.
Yo, the Curry go Desus Spicy Jamal Hatcher. The Bronx Celine Dion. Hey, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Marino. You cannot contain the human. Maybe word to Ja. Young Aaron, the race provocateur. Heroic Bud Cross, Wilson Mandela. Surgery should be vitamin booth. And the human was melting in your mouth. Mr. Bexel taking the excuse Guabi. Greg Popovich, more say the chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber and listen, it's swollen my. Did you depressed, but your boy never is. Yeah. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over Cash, no cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. Forget the small change. Give me what? Big money wine! Big it up! Nigga, I will hit you a sock for the Bitcoin. I don't even know that hurt. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Soccer Catcher Square One, top left man says what? Marv. Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow. Mr. South Punk's all I do is count checks and jerk off. Yeah. We got OJ Pro Stuff Soda and who?
What's in the back?
It's me, Sunny D.
Oh, wow.
I've been shrunk. Please tell Mero I've been shrunk. An evil person shrunk me. Juliana shrunk me. We can't do the podcast anymore. David Yerman. These are expensive. These are red bottoms. These are bloody shit. Tokeem Noah still getting his Nick check. Andrew Coonan. Beat the death with the dodo. A.K.A. the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, palm me charge.
Sit on it!
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and psyosim is stopping us for using the bad music. I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asian I'll crack your back like an automatic crap bag. Mr. Lamarina, Mesmerino, a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor. A.K.A. your problematic bae. Just leave your kids in the car. It's not that hot.
Wow.
Up next, we coming to the stage.
Yeah, it's your boy, the Kid Mero. You know what it is. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. This is episode 119.
119.
They got the rawest dope on the block. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt. Load it, jump the curb, hit the dog, keep it moving, don't give a fuck. A.k.a. I ain't no fucking baby. I fucking man, my nigga. A.k.a. Listen, man, there's no need to check the guest list, nigga. I am the guest list. Get your big for nothing, ashy black tea ass the fuck out of here. Yo, Taze, get this nigga, man. Yo, no doubt, Wiz. I'm gonna leave this nigga looking like a baked potato. AKA CC Dab Bathia, AKA, you know what I'm saying? I ran for mayor of Patterson and won just to ensure my kids never go without patelitos. That's been under a heat lamp for a couple hours. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bismack Biombo, AKA Diego Maradona, AKA Deacon Yo Bemutombo. You don't come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me.
No more pussy.
I don't care about your dowry. This is my pussy now. That's it. Okay? AKA Balls Antenna, so smooth I could fall asleep at the wheel and crash the Mozzie on a test drive. AKA the Dominican Dada, Dykeman Daddy, AKA Swine McCart again, man. There's definitely money on that shit, bro. Stop embarrassing me. You know what I'm saying? The nigga right behind me in line recognized me, bro. He was like, yo, I fuck with the show. I fuck with y'all. Y'all niggas is mad funny. Don't embarrass me. You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos. So zany. Let me find out. Yo, I'll kiss your girl in the mouth at Bodega Pizza. You won't do shit, nigga. I dare you. AKA Light Now Touchy. Hello.
Hello.
Is it weed you're looking for?
It actually is.
I can see it in your eyes. That you're broke and sink on fire. But you came with the entourages, though. You got the entourages?
I got the entourage.
All right, fine, fuck it. Let's smoke. Fuck it.
Nah,
fuck
them
it.
shits is $15 a box now, nigga. I can't just be sharing them.
Oh, shit. Okay.
That's only for wifey, baby.
Damn.
I'll save that chocolate entourage for our anniversary.
She's like a bottle of Dime and shit.
Today is. It's our anniversary. Shout out to L. Like,
yeah, man.
You're so romantical.
Oh, my God. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls inflated. AKA Feel the Ass Tyson. I'm going to explode your cosmos, especially that Milky Way. You know what I'm saying?
Ladies, if you have Milky Way, please get the checked out.
Saying? Get that little
like that. Your pussy should not have nougat in it.
It's pussy look like a payday bar and shit. I'm going in. I don't give a fuck. AKA Friday Three Musketeers. AKA Friday Now Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bennyfield. I gotta get some sticks.
Wait, hold up. Wait. Stop. Because someone pointed this out on Twitter.
I knew that. How did people not know that?
Daniel Bedingfield's
and
sister is Natasha Bedingfield.
Yeah.
See? Look at your face. Because Mero's like, I knew that.
Yeah.
99% of Black Twitter
didn't know that.
Saw that and was like, get the fuck out of here.
I'm like, yo, they
how would you
do music.
Know? Like, how would you? I say this as a person. How would you know Bedingfield is the same people?
It's
not. They were on two different ways because she was over here, he was over there. But they're related. So shout out to the Bedingfields.
It's like if you see a nigga named Cumberbatch, like, fam, he's probably related.
Nigga, how many times have you met someone named Cumberbatch?
Once.
Well, exactly.
You know what I'm saying? So like
Cumberbatch. That sounds like something at fucking Victoria's Secret. That sounds like a type of melon they discontinued. Like your girl's like, yo, I love Cumberbatch. That shit smell good. Why they OT discontinued it?
Nah, why they took it away? It was my favorite. I used to put it on before I dance. AKA, they told me I had to go home because I had too many shimmeries. Yo, AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
Where?
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? On Dykeman. And if you're not doing donuts in the minivan, hey, mad cop cars, nigga, you're not really living.
Also,
you know
be sure to come to our new Mama Sushi's opening up in Hoboken.
Oh, shit. It's about to be lit too.
We have a vegan halal Mama Sushi's.
AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your head with a Nintendo Switch so maybe your children will acknowledge and play with you, you coward.
That's
you know what I'm saying? Sad. You know what I'm saying? Tell him, Trumpito. Sad. AKA, open your medicine cabinet. You secure your benzos, nigga. You know who it is. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport. 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. My shit is not stamped out of state. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brown. Should have caught it down. AKA live from a bench at Crotona Park, leaning off the dog food, but still delivering the hits. It's the East Tremont Stevie B. I want to be the one you did.
Wow. So this basically our next movie is just gonna be Stevie B chasing us down.
Bobby, what happened?
Stevie B is gonna just track us.
It's like the Equalizer 3 starring Stevie B.
You don't know me. You don't know me, but I have a special set of skills. You not tell? Like, are you still on the phone?
Yo, AKA, I've been telling you this, mate. There's only 2 rock stars left on this motherfucking planet. Maybe 3 with Little Lucy. But it's the Bodega Boys. Straight from across the pond, mate. It's your boy, the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a student metro car that isn't mine.
I can't wait till you perform that. Like the Grammys, they have like the wild black gospel choir behind you. Shit. She's like mad out of control, like emotional. Like,
Shorty goes on a wild suck my dick from the back vocal run.
Fuck my dick from the back.
Hey, Kurt Franklin's like, suck my dick from the back, y'all. Hey, suck my dick from the back, y'all.
Got the Kurt Franklin with his wild porn addiction. That's neither here nor there. But
hey, you know, whatever.
No,
hey, I met AKA I met Mike Princess. I'm never gonna fail. AKA, listen, man, I'm pulling up from 40. It's your boy, Bormelos Anthony.
Secure the bag.
Yo, I'm gonna be 46, dropping 56 at the Olympics. I don't give a fuck. Catch me in Atlanta, nigga, at Magic City, throwing racks. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target, you know what I'm saying, in the iPad section with wire cutters, don't ask me no motherfucking questions. Approach me like a fucking bear bee. AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Mr. Clean Lemonade and some rhinestones. I scraped off some Robin jeans. Talking about, my favorite old school rapper is Aaron Carter. How I Beat Shaq is a banger.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
That's how I beat Shaq. You know what I'm saying? That shit goes. AKA, DJ Hasan insane, coño, tírame la pista. ¿Qué es lo que con qué es lo que? Llegó Luis Titi FIFA, el que trae espagueti con plátano para la playa. La gente sabe que somos de la calle. Si tú no tienes ticket, es mejor que te calles. Ey, déjame preguntarte algo. ¿Tú quieres pecozón? Shout out Last Week, Pizza Azul, Nico, DJ Hasan Insane, DJ Dímelo, DJ Jubilee, Wildlife, Dre Skull y el coro de Mixpack. Estamos activos. Me quité,
Yo, it's been episode 119 in the building. You know the Bodega Boys, most illustrious podcast. We're gonna drop this art for you. You know what I'm saying? Brand is so strong. We out here. We out.